Hi guys, this is Gerard, Shiftinglands. Welcome to my channel. My name is Gerard and I like to build scenery, all kinds of stuff using XPS. So I dedicate my channel using XPS foam. I will use a lot of other materials as well, but mainly it's all about XPS. How to use it and give you a lot of tips and tricks on how to build stuff. Regardless of size, regardless of type of build, 40K, Dungeons and Dragons, 15 millimeter, 28 millimeter, if it's for railroads, if it's for tabletop, if it's for nativity, if it's for cosplay, whoopsie. Okay, so I am interested in all the directions you can go using this foam. And that's the fun thing. And that's also the main thing. I'd like to share my knowledge with you guys through my channel Shiftinglands. So people, very welcome to my channel Shiftinglands. Let's dive in and start crafting.